Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you Thoroughbred Diesel's branded 6.0 injectors. This is something that we've been working on for a long time, and something that we've been really studying about what was the best route to go for a long time. So coming into the 6.0 injector market, you want to make sure that with these trucks that you are offering a remanufactured injector that is going to be as close and if not better than an OE offering that you can possibly get. So our 6.0 injectors are going to be one part number for the 03 to 07 truck, so we didn't have to do the year split because we are going with the totally updated 6.0 injector. And I'm just going to walk through some of the components on this product. This is, again, just really proud of this, and really proud of this injector, really excited to offer it to you guys. So with our 6.0 injector, you are going to get a brand new coil assembly. This is a USA made coil assembly, brand new, replaced on every injector that we get. Inside of the top here, you're going to get a brand new DLC coated spool valve. The DLC coated spool valve is going to keep you from having any problems with stiction. It's just a longer lasting spool valve, and traditionally this is where we have the most problem with the 6.0 injectors is inside the spool valve. So you've got a new coil and a new spool valve, DLC coated. And then you have the plunger of the 6.0 injectors. These are DLC coated as well. So you're getting, again, with DLC coating, you're getting great longevity from the injector. You're just getting a more robust injector that's going to be able to handle what you throw at it day in and day out. Now, along with this, we are going to be offering a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty with the 6.0 injector. And these are going to be coupled with installation kits if you so choose to buy those. Adam did a lot of work in getting really nice installation kits together, so you can add those to your purchase of your 6.0 injectors. If you're wanting to do all 8 of these, put these in the truck, we can get you a really nice install kit. So guys, this is something, again, that we've worked really hard on. And if you buy a truck and they said, hey, it's got Thoroughbred 6.0 injectors in it, you're going to know that it is ours because they are laser etched with our logo and they have serial numbers on each one of these. So you will know that this is indeed a Thoroughbred diesel injector. So if you're looking to purchase a 6.0 truck and you're starting to navigate those waters and you're wanting to find the best parts, or you've got a 6.0 and you're wanting to put the best injectors in them, it's time for an upgrade. Our Thoroughbred Diesel 6.0 injectors, we have a lot of pride in this product and done a lot of work to give you the best product out there. So if you have a question about 6.0 diesels, please give us a call, and thank you for watching.